Hey, my name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder. We design all kinds of awesome stuff to help companies grow. Things like brands and brand strategy, logo design, graphic design for printed material and online things. Whatever you need to help your company grow, we can help with that. Come visit us at squarethunder.com. We'd love to chat. Every week on Fast Logo Friday, I design a logo based on a random weird word. Our word today is Vorago, V-O-R-A-G-O. It comes from an old Latin word. I guess all Latin words are old, but it means a chasm or an abyss. For the last couple of Fridays, I was off. I didn't actually design a logo for the past 2 weeks. We skipped a couple of weeks, but we're back into it now. And I was visiting our son in Penticton, which is a little town of about 40,000 people in British Columbia, on the west coast of Canada. Situated right between two lakes, Okanagan Lake and Skaha Lake. It's a beautiful part of the world. If you ever get a chance to visit, you probably should. There's mountains and trees and rocks and lakes, and it's just terrible. If you don't like the outdoors, you'd hate it there. We brought our bikes and did lots of biking on local trails. I took a bike down a mountain with a bunch of other crazy kids, and I didn't die, so I call that a success. However, I did wreck one of the cameras that I usually use for Fast Logo Friday, the one that I put overhead for doing the sketching. So I'm going to be experimenting over the next couple of weeks with kind of changing up the setup and rearranging things a little bit, and just trying some new settings. So if things look a little bit different, well, that's why. At the end of the video, I'll put a little bit of footage from me flying down the mountain and some of our other things that we saw out there. It was a great trip. Today I'm going to use the word Vorago to design a logo for a hard seltzer. That's kind of a trendy drink right now. It's a concoction of carbonated water, alcohol from fermented sugar, and some kind of a fruit juice. In the Okanagan Valley, they grow all kinds of fruit that you really can't grow many other places in Canada. Grapes, peaches, plums, pears, apples, all sorts of things. Some of those fruits you can grow elsewhere, but really there's a high concentration there. The climate is just right for all those things. So I'm going to use the word Vorago to design a logo for a hard seltzer inspired by our vacation to the Okanagan Valley this summer. Like usual, I'm going to start off with sketching out some rough ideas, and then I'm going to bring one of those into Illustrator and refine the concept a little bit farther. And then finally, I'll show the finished product and some design mock-ups so that we can see what it might look like. Interestingly enough, when I got back, another designer that I watch on YouTube, Cal Lauren, had also designed a logo for a hard seltzer brand. So I'm going to put a link to Cal's video here. She did a great job on the work that she did. It's purely coincidental that she did a hard seltzer logo at the same time that I am. But hey, great minds, who knows? Anyway, let's jump in and start sketching out some ideas and see where it takes us. One of the other things I did on my vacation was, before before I left, I downloaded a couple of Skillshare courses to my iPad so I could watch those on the flights across the country. And so I took that opportunity to get a little bit smarter. If you want to get a little bit smarter, there's a link in the description of the video here on YouTube. If you click that, Skillshare will give you 2 free months of your premium subscription, and they'll kick back a little bit to me to help support the channel. So if you want to get smarter, you're going to take some courses from Skillshare anyways, you might as well click that link, get a couple of free months, and help support the channel through the affiliate link. And I would appreciate that very much. And I'm thankful to Skillshare for their support of the channel here with Fast Logo Friday. Thanks Skillshare, and thank you for getting smarter with them. You can learn all kinds of really cool stuff, whether it's Microsoft tools like Excel or Word or PowerPoint. You can learn presentation skills, how to speak more confidently on camera, how to speak in public. You can learn things like graphic design and logo design and branding strategy. You can learn things like woodworking or other hard skills or soft skills, how to deal with people. There's so many things that Skillshare offers, and I think you would be smarter. Just click the link and sign up for Skillshare. This has been episode number 29 of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I try to record a video when the garbage truck is coming by. I'm going to wrap things up now with a couple of clips from our trip out west. There's some easy trails and there's some crazy trails and there's just some awesome scenery. If you ever get a chance to visit Penticton or the Okanagan Valley, you should probably do that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week right here on Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.
Now we're talking. See ya, kids. Watch out for Grandpa. I probably am the old fart here, anyway. It's chill once you've done it a few times. I was like yelling at Nick, is it clear? I don't want to land on anyone. Oh, that's juicy. Good.